Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make a burrito easy. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need large tortillas, about 10 to 12 inches in diameter, along with your favorite fillings like seasoned rice, beans, and a protein such as chicken or beef. Don't forget fresh vegetables and a delicious sauce. Warming your tortillas slightly for about 15 to 20 seconds makes them much easier to work with, preventing tears as you roll. Now let's master the art of rolling. Lay your warm tortilla flat on a clean surface. Start by spreading a thin layer of rice or beans in the center, leaving about 1 inch of space around the edges. Next, add your main protein and other fillings, keeping them compact. Fold in the two sides of the tortilla, then firmly roll it from the bottom edge upwards, creating a snug, cylindrical shape. This technique ensures everything stays perfectly contained. The beauty of burritos lies in customization. Feel free to experiment with different proteins. Grilled chicken, seasoned ground beef, or even a hearty plant-based option works wonderfully. Elevate the taste with fresh additions like creamy avocado slices, a vibrant pico de gallo, or a refreshing squeeze of lime juice. Don't forget to add your favorite cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or a spicy sauce to truly make it your own. The possibilities are endless. Here are a few quick tips for burrito success. Always opt for a large, fresh tortilla, ideally 10 to 12 inches, as it provides ample space for rolling without tearing. Remember not to overstuff your burrito. Leaving about 1 inch of clear space around the edges is crucial for a tight, secure roll. Finally, for an extra layer of texture and warmth, lightly toast your finished burrito in a dry pan for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until golden brown. Enjoy your delicious, homemade burrito.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.